Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's recipe I'm going to tell you the world's best breakfast. So this is ancient traditional breakfast of our great grandfathers and great grandmothers. So let me tell you how to prepare. This is very simple also. So all you need to take a bowl over here. Here I have taken clay pot. You can also take a normal pot and add rice to it. Rice here I have taken the leftover rice. I mean in the night whatever I have cooked, some rice is left, so I have added that rice into it. You can cook and also add it. Now I have added milk into it. Lukewarm milk I have added into this rice. There is no measurement for this milk. All you need to check is that the rice is soaked or nicely drenched in the milk. So once you are done with this, you need to add 2 tablespoons of curd, and then you need to stir it nicely so that you will leave for the rest of the night, and that will turn into curd the next day morning. If you are adding fresh rice, look that the rice is cool, and then you need to add lukewarm milk to it. That's it. Close the lid and let it for an overnight. Leave it for an overnight like that, and the next day morning when you check, you can see how our curd rice has turned. This is in fact fermented rice. See, it's so thick and creamy. So let us check how it has turned. Wow, see how creamy and how thick it has become. Now this is the consistency. So what you need to do is stir nicely with the spoon, and you need to add a little bit salt to taste. If you're not interested in salt, it is completely optional. You can skip it, and then add little bit water, and then make it into this consistency. Like you need to make it like a thin consistency. It should not be thicker. This is the fermented rice consistency, perfect fermented rice consistency. You can serve it with onion, chili, or else you can add some pickle like mango pickle or else lemon pickle. So this is so yummy and tasty, at the same time so healthy. It helps reduce your body heat, and also it helps your digestion and your intestines. If it has any infections, it clears all away and it washes out all these things when you have it early in the morning. This is a probiotic fermented curd rice. So please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.